Wix Studio Scaling Text tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to scale text into your Wix Studio website. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over Wix Studio. As you can see, website on the screen. Click on setup or the home page and click on edit site. Once we have clicked on that, we're going to see the website as it is. Now, what is going to be the text scaling in our Wix Studio? It is basically going to be the smart or the method that the website resizing from device to device is going to be reacting. The device to device, I mean by that we have three modes or three principal devices on Wix Studio, which are going to be detected automatically. We have the desktop, we have the tablet, and we have the mobile. You can explore and edit any of the elements of your Wix Studio website for any of these devices by just selecting one of these. So now what I am going to do is going to be very simple. On the desktop, you can see that we have this one. So I'm going to head over here. I'm going to select one of the texts. As you can see, I double tap on that text and we're going to open up the inspector. So now we're going to find the text scaling within the response behavior. So what I am going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the responsive behavior and we're going to see that we have the scale proportionally set up like that. So as you can see of the preview of it, when you have the scale proportionally, we have this specific area or the size of the screen. When it is going to be stretched or reduced and stretched, that means that it is going to switch to tablet mode or mobile mode. The text is going to be scaling to a let's say a small size. For the custom scale, we can go ahead and have it set up as we want. So basically, you're going to set it up as, I don't know, you can set the font size from to whatever, and we have the wrap. As you can see, we have the hug, fixed, whatever. Now the scale proportionally is going to be the best responsive way. How is that? I'm going to show you here the this thing. So you can see that we have this text and this one are going to be all responsively, or the response behavior on them is going to be scaling proportionally. So we're going to click on the tablet. The text is going to be, please go here, is going to show up, or not basically show up, but it is going to be setting up the size of it to something that will suit the tablet mode. Please do not mind moving the things right there because my website is a mess right now. Now if I move it to the mobile, you're going to see that the text is going to be smaller. So I can go ahead and have the text moving just like that. So here, let's compare the size real quick. We have 16 pixels on mobile. On tablet, we have 42 pixels. On desktop, we have 39 pixels. This is the scale proportionally. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.